Good morning to one and all. I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Fundamentals of Algorithm, Lecture 2. Now we discuss divide and conquer. In many algorithms are recursively in nature to solve a given problem, recursively dealing with subproblems. Let us see divide and conquer approach. In this method, a problem is divided into smaller problems, then the smaller problem are solved independently, and finally the solution of smaller problem are combined into a solution for the large problem. Generally, divide and conquer algorithm have three parts. First one divide, second one conquer, third one combine. First, divide process. Divide a problem into a number of subproblems that are smaller instances of the small problem. Second concept, conquer the subproblems by solving them recursively. If they are small enough, solve the subproblems as base cases. Third one, combine the solutions to the subproblems into the solution for original problem. This is a three parts of divide and conquer algorithms. In this approach, divide and conquer supports parallelism as subproblems are independent. Hence, an algorithm which is designed using these techniques can run on the multiprocessor system or in different machines simultaneously in divide and conquer approach. In this approach, most of the algorithms are designed using recursions, hence memory management is very high. For recursive function, stack is used, where function state needs to be stored. Applications of divide and conquer approach. What are the process? Following are some problems which are solved using divide and conquer approach. First one, finding minimum and maximum sequence of numbers. Second one, stairs and matrix multiplication. Third one, merge sort. Fourth one, binary search. These are the basic approaches for solving the divide and conquer method. Let us consider a simple problem that can be solved by divide and conquer techniques. Problem statement. We are using a maximum minimum problem in algorithm. Analysis is finding the maximum and minimum value in an array. For that solution, to find the maximum and minimum numbers is given in array numbers of array size. The following algorithm can be used. First, we are representing the native method, and then we will present divide and conquer approach. We are using some steps for maximum and minimum number can be founded separately. To find the maximum and minimum values, we see in next lecture. After the divide and conquer approach, the array is divided into two levels. Then, using recursive approach, maximum and minimum numbers is in each levels are founded. Next process, how to using the sorting processor. The problem statement. The problem of sorting a list of number of lengths itself immediately to a divide and conquer strategies. Split the list into two levels, recursively sorting each of and then merge the two sort sublist. We are using a merge sort, quick sort and binary search, finding maximum minimum, that are all. Now we see what is a problem statement for a binary search. Binary search can be performed on a sorted array. In this approach, the index of element x is determined if the element belongs to the list of elements. If the array is unsorted, linear search is used to determine the position. This is a binary search. In next video we follow a binary search sum one by one. After we discuss a stairs and matrix multiplication. In this algorithm context, using stairs and matrix multiplication algorithm, the time consumption can be improved a little bit. Using stairs and matrix multiplication can be performed only a square matrix where n is a power of 2, order of both of the matrix n into n. Divide x, y and z in 4, n by 2 into n by 2. Some matrices are represented among this is a general form of algorithm. First one we see in algorithm process in general format. General format algorithm name, we using a parameter list. Passing a parameter values and body of algorithm. Next process, in this algorithm flow we find out algorithm name and parameter values x, y, x value or y value. Let us see. Name, algorithm, parameter list, body of algorithm, we using a general algorithm method. Control abstraction for divide and conquer method. Algorithm D and C. Parameter list. If small p, then return s value of parameters. Then else divide p into a smaller instant p1, p2 up to pk. K is greater than 1 equal n. Applying D and C to each of these subproblems. Return combine divide and conquer procedure. Divide and conquer procedure p1, p2 up to pn. Next, these are the criteria. Already we see in the input, output, finiteness and effectiveness. Algorithm paradigms. Greedy, build up a solution incrementally optimizing some local criterion. Divide and conquer, break up a problem into two subproblems. Solve each subproblem independently and combine solution to subproblems to form a solution to a original problem. Dynamic programming, break up a problem into a series of overlapping subproblems and build up solution to large and larger subproblems. Divide and conquer, break up problem in several parts, solve each parts recursively, combine solution to subproblems into overall solutions. Most common usage, break up problem of size n into two equal parts of size 1 by 2 n. Solve two parts recursively. Combine two solution into overall solution in linear time. Consequence, divide and conquer, n log n, divide and conquer method. Divide and conquer is also the basic for all other algorithm design technique. Control abstraction used to maintain the flow of control for control of procedures. In this algorithm, we follow the algorithm divide and conquer procedure. If small p, then return sp, else divide p into smaller instant p1, p2, pk. K is greater than equal to 1 to n. Apply divide and conquer to each of these subproblems. Return combine d1 and c p1, d1 and c p2 up to pn. Next step, we first solving a stairs and matrix multiplication problem. After that, binary search, finding maximum minimum value, quick sort, merge sort. These are all covered from divide and conquer only. Thank you.